Welcome student. Let us continue with this new lesson, that is lesson number 14, a lesson for all. A lesson means subject, or we can say something if you do something and it affects badly to you, then it is called that you get a lesson. Okay, this is the meaning of the title. A lesson for all means, here in these lessons we uh, we as a person, as a citizens, have an message. This lesson gives us a message that you are doing something that is harm the society, or it gives us a positive message to do a social act. If you wanted to do something socially, um, so you must get the lesson, first lesson. Some peoples are get the lesson, and after the getting the lesson they understand what to do. Okay, so in these lessons we are going to uh, understand that persons who wants or needs or get the a lesson. Okay, so let us look the characters uh, of this lesson. In the first line we have a human beings who have some type of social responsibility. Okay, some type of responsibility, or they can do something socially. They can spend some time to develop society, or um, to protect the society, because they are we can say age old persons who have an experience what to do and what not to do. They can send a message by doing the good act, socially good act. So these persons are in the top line. Here are these persons. Everyone is very much active socially, because they are doing some type of jobs, or uh, contributing the society in a different way. So here are the characters. The first is the newspaper boy. We have experience of newspaper boy daily. He doing his work without any disturbance. Okay, whether it is a summer season, whether it is a winter season, he doing his job very prominently, and we can say honestly. Basically, in this type of job, the students are fined. They wanted some money to get the educations from the different institutions. So the honest boy started to earn money and save the time. So newspapers distributing newspaper is the best job for them. Okay, next man is a milkman. So look at the physic, how he develops. Okay, because he is in a distributing milk, he is in the job of distributing milk. So he also consume milk sometime. Okay, so his physics is also good. And next is a hawker. Hawker is a person who having more efforts, uh, or who have to do more efforts to earn money by doing this business of hawkers, because there is a very rare money in, or a small amount of profit in this job. So the physique of this person is not in a good position. Okay. Next is a school bus driver. It is a sitting job. The school bus driver is a sitting job. So this person uh, having a good health, because his job does not include lot of efforts. After that we have a Dr. Sawant, who is a doctor, medicinal job. And last one is the Mrs. Patel. She is a housewife. Mrs. Patel is a housewife. After that, in the second row, we have another businessman, that is Desai. He is a businessman, and he doing more efforts to run his business. And last one is a politician. Look at the physique. These politicians who earn more money in this business. Nowadays, politics becomes a business. It does not having the aim of welfare of the people, but they are earning money. They are indulge in earning money by taking bribes, making money. Okay, doing false things in the politics. Second last one is the Mrs. Joshi, a housewife. Mrs. Joshi, a housewife. So she has to take care of her two children, that is Nidhi and Madhu. Uh, Nidhi and Madhu is the daughters of Mrs. Joshi. Are daughters of Mrs. Joshi. And in the last row, we have a special members who are belongs to the category of animal. The first one is a rabbit, next deer, next peacock, squirrel, bear, birds, and last tortoise. So these are also the member of our society, but we do not take care of them or do not consider them as a member of our society. So we ignore them. While we doing the progress or development, we ignore these animals, and we attack on the habitat of these animals. So they suffer due to the development of human being, the process of development. Next is, so let us continue. Let us continue with this reading. A city. So the human being who are always in the search of new land, he destroy the habitat of these poor animals. They suffered severely. So in these lessons, we are going to learn something from these animals. A city street early in the morning. So this is a timing. The street is littered with the plastic bags, carton, uh, tin cans, broken glasses, old tires, waste paper balls, bags, and other garbage. Here enter Mr. Desai, who is the first person of this lesson. Here totally included the four persons in this dialogues. The first person is Mr. Desai. Looking out into the distance, why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? It's 9 o'clock, almost time to leave for my office. Looks out again. Let me ask the Patels if they have received their copy. So here Desai and Patel lived nearby. Or Desai is the neighbor of Mr. Patel, or Patel is the neighbor of Mr. Desai, and both having the habit of reading newspaper day to day. But today Mr. Desai did not receive any copy of a newspaper, so he went to Mr. Patel to ask if he received any copy. Goes into the wings and return with Mrs. Patel. Mrs. Patel said, "No, Mr. Desai, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the papers as yet, nor has our milkman turned up." So, Mrs. Patel has another problem, that she did not receive milk, because the milkman also not come on time. Mr. Patel is so grumpy, so she becomes very annoyed and angry due to this latecomer milkman. He is waiting for his morning cup of tea. Mr. Patel is waiting for his cup of tea, but he did not get any cup of tea because the milkman was not come yet to deliver milk. Mr. Desai said, "Very strange. And look, the street is simply shocking." So when he comes outside, he saw the street, which was very shocked. He became very shocked due to the condition of the road. Mrs. Patel said, "Oh, what's this? Where did all this litter and garbage come from?" So he became amazed that whole street contains the garbage from here and there. So he became amazed because of spreading garbage throughout the street. "Mr. Desai, I turned rather late from the office last night, and the street was bare then. How did all this rubbish gathered here overnight?" So Mr. Desai worked very hard. So he come to the home very late in the evening or in the night. Yesterday also he come very night to the home, but at that time street was clear. But now in the morning he saw that garbage is spread throughout the road. So he become amazed because this garbage was not present in the evening. Suddenly Madhu falls and injures on her foot. gives out a cry of pain. So Madhu, the son of Mrs. Joshi, fall down on the road and having a pain because she hurt. Mrs. Joshi said, "Oh dear Madhu, are you alright?" "Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help, please." Mrs. Patel said, "Nidhi, run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. Request her to come quickly. Your sister has cut herself on a broken glass bottle." So here Nidhi and Madhu are sisters. Mr. Desai, "I'll get some ice at once." Mrs. Joshi, almost in a tears, "My poor child, how did all these broken glasses happen to be here?" So she also said about the condition of the street. Mrs. Patel said, "Look around, it's not just broken glasses." But Mrs. Joshi said, "Dear me, what nonsense this is, unbelievable. Where, where has all this rubbish come from?" Dr. Sawant enters with Nidhi. She has a doctor's kit. Dr. Sawant said, "Let me see the wound." Mr. Desai, "Here is some ice to stop bleeding." Dr. Sawant, "What's presence of mind good?" Applies ice on the wound. There now it has stopped bleeding. It's a deep cut. I'll dress the wound and she will be fine. So here Dr. Sawant give him a trust that don't cry. I will dress this wound. Mrs. Joshi, "Thank you, doctor. So kind of you to come at once." So Joshi becomes very thankful to the doctor, but I am going to complain to mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and litter on the road? So Joshi wanted to complain about the bad condition of the road and the garbage which is spread on the road. Dr. Sawant said, "Oh, it's a mystery. All this garbage was not there yesterday, and now just look." So now enter newspaper boy, milkman, hawker, etc. So all these persons come there. Mrs. Patel said, "Mayor must not have seen. Look, the newspaper boy, he is limping." And milkman at last. To the milkman, "Why and where is your bicycle? And why are you so late?" Milkman said, "The tires are punctured. I had to come walking all the way with this heavy milk can." So milkman gave justification of his for his late coming. Now, newspaper boy said, "And I tripped over an old tire and sprained my foot." So he fell down. It was quite dark early this morning. I did not expect an old tire right in the middle of the road. So everyone gets a bad experience from the condition of road. Okay, now student, today we will stop here this point of newspaper boy, and we will continue with the next lesson into the next lecture.